Constructing a beach profile. Choose a benchmark at some location on the back beach as a starting point to begin the beach profile. You will follow a transect which will begin at the benchmark and proceed toward the water. It will include a number of stations where you collect sediments and elevation data. Your team will consist of 3 members. One person will hold the long rod, another will hold the short rod, and the third will record data into the data sheet. The person holding the short rod begins at the benchmark. The person holding the long rod walks toward the water, maintaining a straight line course. When the line between the long and short rods is taut, or when there is a prominent break in elevation, whichever comes first, the person at the short rod sights across the top of the short rod to the point on the long rod where it appears to intersect with the horizon line. This elevation is recorded as 1.45 meters. Next, the short rod person walks forward and sets the short rod right next to the spot where the long rod was just positioned. The long rod person walks towards the water, stopping at the 5-meter interval, or wherever there is another significant elevation change. The transect continues in this manner until the water line is reached. Collect sediment samples from several stations along the beach profile transect. At each station, place a few scoopfuls of surface sediment into a container. Label the container with the location and station number and record the information into the data sheet.